Hello and namaste. This is Neeraj here, and welcome back to my channel, Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah. So, in today's video, I would like to discuss, or give you some stock idea. This is a interesting company. It's a Russian company, so I'm giving you a Russian stock idea, multi-bagger idea. Free. This is just my, I thought that let's Diwali special or New Year special, you can say that I would like to also. And also it will give you an idea about that what is my view, persistent view has been regarding this natural gas. So before starting this video, I would request all of you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And if you like this video, put a like and share it with your maximum friends so that it can be benefited, and also that when the maximum likes or comments come, then the YouTube also propagates it, and that way the people get benefited. And I have a special format also, which is called premium video format, where I come out with the stock specific, multi-bagger stock specific ideas and full detailed analysis with the futuristic projections and the stock prices, and it has outperformed the market, and this is available only for a nominal charge of 1000 rupees per video. So this is it. Let's start. So in today's video, as I told you, that I like one stock, particularly the Russian stock, which is called Novatek. It's a natural gas production company. It is located in the Siberian region of 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗛 autonomous region, it's called, and it has a capacity of say 80 to 90 billion cubic meters per year of natural gas production, and also say 5 million barrels up to the 2 million barrels per day oil production. It is basically, it supplies this natural gas to Russia and Europe, and also exports to say any country internationally, but majority it is supplies through the chain, through that transportation link of oil and gas pipeline to the Western Europe, and you would be surprised that it is one of the major loan or the investment given by the Japan Bank of Industrial Corporation, so JIBC is basically for, it has funded this research into the hydrogen and ammonium production, hydrogen from the ammonia, and also the green energy production. So they are one of the pioneers of this hydrogen production in the world and in Russia. But as I told you that so many things happen in Russia which people outside don't know, and it is much more advanced technologically. And also if you will come and you will see the infrastructure and some of this what do you call, the scientific and technological advances, you would be surprised, because this is all done very silently, and not much media is interested. Western media particularly is not knowing anything about the real Russia, what all the things happen, and they only about mostly, which is negative side of a country they try to show, or the project. Every country has its plus and minuses, so I won't say that it is perfect, but yes, as far as the technology, all the oil and gas, natural resources, and many of these advanced things, whether it is in fertilizer, whether it is in agricultural side or engineering, defense, manufacturing, space, aviation, the Russia has a lot of technology and advancements, which and also in the latest in this the 3D printing technology. It is, I have, I know some of the companies, I have myself seen that they are only very few among, I think, companies worldwide which has may have the capacity or the technology to print, the 3D printing. But it's not only 3D printing. There are many companies have now come out with the 3D printers, but it has the successfully it has implemented the mixing of the two different materials and produce. So suppose if it is most of the 3D technologies are into printing of this polymer or resin based plastics, plastosynthesizer based materials components, but the company which can mix metals and composite material, what you call, so it can produce the metal as well as the plastic composite material together into this 3D. So just to let us not diverge our attention, and this Novatek, as I told you, that this is it has kind of a 80 billion cubic meters of that gas production capacity, and they are mostly now expanding, and with another, if suppose that Nord Stream gas pipeline starts operating, they will be even putting more gas to the Europe. Whatever, why I like this stock, or why it is unique in the sense that as you see, must have seen many of my videos in last 3 months around. I keep on telling that you please get into the gas when the coal has started performing and outperforming this assets class because of the energy crisis. And because of the push of this globally green energy, and we are told that now with that signing of this G20 summit agreement regarding the phasing out of the coal production or the coal based power plants. So we are told that the gas demand will over a period of time will go up all over the world, and with the current this cold winter coming into this into Europe and in Russia and all over the world, and the kind of the energy crisis it's continuing, you will see much more that happening. And with the phasing out of the coal thing, you will see that the gas prices keep on going up. And I had come out with the 2-3 months before the prediction that I won't be surprised that in 2-3 months time by this year end or the next year starting, when the winter is at its peak, we may see that natural gas prices reaching $14 per MMBTU price from this current level of say $4.5 it was at that time. So I still continue to believe that as that the winter is progressing, the cold is progressing, it is becoming more cold, and with the kind of a current geopolitical situation all over the world also, you will see that slowly the gas prices will also reach as the winter peaks in December, January, and so will the price also peak. And as you know that in any commodity based stock, it is the underlying commodity prices which carries the stock price also. So in my case, I think this Novatek is fantastically placed to capture this uprise in the gas prices, and it's a unique in that way stock, and I don't think so many people know about it because people know about Gazprom, because Gazprom is worldwide, it's biggest. But that's why I just thought that I will give this as a complimentary free gift to all my subscribers and viewers, and so that they can benefit. And just one more information is that this stock is available for trading or for investment in the UK stock exchange, London Stock Exchange also. So it is with the name of Novatek DRC. So you can see that because it's a company which has a turnover of say $15.5 billion, and above that the net profit of $5.5 billion. So this kind of a company which you will consistently, and with even if it is a pioneer into the hydrogen gas and ammonia based and carbon capture technology, where the Japan Banking Industrial Corporation has also invested. So this you can look into this. It's interesting stock. One can get it into the London Stock Exchange, or even if just I wanted to share one. This is the gas based. When people ask me, okay, what is the gas based? So this is the best stock to get into this. So whoever can either invest in Russian market, or if you can't invest directly in Russian market, maybe if you can invest through the London market, then this is the stock to get in. That's it from my side, and thanks for watching. And if you like this, you put a like and share it with the maximum friends, and Please subscribe it if you're not yet subscribed, and we'll still come out next week with some other interesting idea. And as I told you that this is just a complimentary gift I wanted to share, but I have a format where this is premium videos are charged, where the stock analysis is given on a very nominal charge basis of 1,000 rupees, and multi-bagger stock idea, which I have come out with till now 4 premium stock ideas, and which has outperformed the market. So you can see I am not a, you, even if you not many subscribers, but I have a very loyal way of loyal followers, and who can vouch for my ideas and my unique stock ideas and unique methodology of predictive analysis, which is, I don't think so anybody has this possesses in this, so with my practical experience on the ground research and this art of predictive analysis, you can be sure that I will share my knowledge. I will continue to share my knowledge with all of you, and whatever little I know about the market and the investment and this metals, mining, gas, oil, which are the real things, for the investment. So that's it. Keep watching and keep sharing. Love you all, and ciao from Neeraj from Moscow. See you next week again with some new unique ideas.